đâyនេះខ្ញុំមកកន្លែងហៅថា West Lodge Nature Park ឥឡូវខ្ញុំនៅ Western and Armor ឥឡូវខ្ញុំឡងទ្វារចូល no ទ្វារចូល no dog stay អត់ស្រុក stay ឥឡូវយើងស្កែមើលអត់ស្រុក stay sit ហើយខ្ញុំដើរចូលហើយ I'm coming in this one nature dog walk so I'm coming here they have a statue I'm going focus to it's a nice long walk but they have a pond on that side so inside here if I take a walk like Joseph is walking right now the dog right he won't let me go away from him he thinks like stay you sit and Astro you stay there and sitឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំដល់កន្លែងថនអ្នកខ្លះគេមកបេះស្អីទៅឬអ្នកខ្លះដូចឃើញមកអង្គុយស្ទួចត្រីនៅដែរនេះនៅជិតផ្ទះខ្ញុំដែរខ្ញុំដើរមកពីអ្នកចូលសិតហើយមកដល់ផនមួយតូចនេះដាក់អីI think that's him right there. Okay, ឥឡូវខ្ញុំដើរគេថាអូមានជើងសត្វឆ្លុះដើរជុំវិញបឹងហ្នឹងមើលឡើងមកលើ trail ហ្នឹងវិញលឿនជាងឡើងទៅ trail ដើរហ្នឹងនេះមិនហ្នឹង trail ហ្នឹងអាចជិះកង់ទៅត្រុយព្រៃខាងនោះ inside the wood right there and then it come out this way and see the pond here. Now I'm tracing after Joseph đến tam chỗ những đảo vơ này thằng ở pond này vậy mới Joseph ở thằng therapy kìa đây mau đây nhung chua bia ở cái chua bia đây đây nhung ta to kia đây đã sky nhung cho nó lại đi đà quật chung vinh mặt rau miền mơ trời đây cái dồi mà trồng chi các bạn ở bên hàm pram đấy đang vô canoe vô floating device hạt pram no nó đạp nó chẳng mà về nó không đi khởi điện em với cái chân mòn này chứ mà thấy ta thấy trời này Let's go back into the wood. Okay, the deer. deer. The deer went back in the wood. And somehow I saw he came to get water out here. I see his footprints. Deer footprints. So it must be escape from there. Come out on this side. Thằng này shortcut này màu này my connection here more thiệt. There's another pond right here. Logan's, that's what they call it. It's a connection for animal habitation. Oh, this one going back. That's why I saw Joseph over here. He came here and then he walked back the other way. So, which way should I go? I should go that way. Go that way. Be faster. This way, just go around. Yeah. Take a while to go one round. One round here. Let's go. One round here and that. Nó khả năng lại cái cho shop cemetery á, good shop. Nó khả năng Park Street. Miền Tắc chẳng tới sắp đi màu. Ôi sắp bài. Trên cái kia đây là miền Prey vậy chứ đang mạnh tới chừng ai đây trên cái đa mà Prey đó đang hầm để tất cả natural Prey lòng phật cắt chân từ đa tam đi cho coming take a shortcut close to the water along lagoon pond bank. See, we go this way here. Ooh, that's a duck. I scared a duck. I thought something else. Thinking it's snake here? I don't think so. I see two animals. The deer. I don't think here there's fish here. There must be fish. They have pond. There's water. They should throw some more fish in. Or some live fish. Put a couple here. Male and female, let them multiply. There. I wonder if people come here. What are they picking? Oh, that must come the same. This direction. Okay. Back out here. They make a cement for walking during the, snow. When it snow. Here, come hang out here, sit down and relax here. Look at this. Now they have a place for you to sit and read, enjoy. Bring a chair, your own. See, like a wood. There's a big US flag right there. You hear natural sound. Okay. Back. That's right. This Western and Peterson. Đây, các bạn